Financial success isn't just about money, it's about psychology. Today, we're diving into the mental patterns that keep people stuck in poverty. Welcome back to Profit Psychology, where we break down the mental blocks keeping you from financial freedom. Before we begin, understand that this isn't about blame, it's about identifying patterns that we can change. The first psychological trap is what researchers call the scarcity mindset. When you're worried about money, your brain actually processes decisions differently. Studies show that financial stress can drop your IQ by up to 13 points, the same as losing a full night's sleep. This leads to the first trap, short-term thinking. When you're focused on survival, your brain physically can't plan for the future. The second pattern is what psychologists call learned helplessness. This happens when past financial struggles make you believe you can't change your situation. This creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. You stop looking for opportunities because you don't believe they exist. The third pattern is the comparison trap. Social media makes us compare our worst moments to everyone else's highlight reel. This triggers something called financial anxiety paralysis. You become so overwhelmed that you avoid making any money decisions. Here's what's fascinating: wealthy people experience these same psychological patterns. They just handle them differently. Let me show you the 3 mental shifts that break these patterns, starting with what I call the abundance loop. First, you need to understand that your current financial situation is a result of circumstances and choices. Both can be changed. The key is starting with tiny wins. Even saving $1 creates new neural pathways in your brain. Here's what nobody talks about: willpower has nothing to do with it. It's about environmental design. Let me show you how to restructure your environment to automatically trigger wealth-building decisions. The method I'm about to share helped one of my students go from constant overdrafts to saving $10,000 in 8 months. It's called the choice architecture method, and it makes good financial decisions almost automatic. The secret is designing your environment so that making good money choices requires zero willpower. Here's exactly how to implement this in your life, even if you're starting from zero. Remember, breaking free from poverty isn't just about learning finance, it's about rewiring your psychological responses to money. If this video helped you understand your relationship with money better, hit subscribe to join Profit Psychology. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more secrets of the wealthy mind.